Hey, my name is Will Kent. Just last week I finished National Registry and passed. Got my license and I've been working over at RPS now for a week. So just wanted to give a quick testimony for anyone going through the 18-day program over at GoRescue for EMT Basic. So me, I'm a nursing student at University of Alabama, Roll Tide, and I had almost zero experience in EMS before getting into the program or any sort of medical, formal medical training. So if you don't have any sort of background, it's a lot. I was very lost. My whole class was like pre-med and fire, so I was very lost in it. But you can do it. You will do it, and you will get through it. Buckle down these next 18 days seriously, but also have fun. So my experience was pretty difficult for me, but you will make it. Stay focused on studying. Use every chance that you can get. Whenever you go home, I know it's a long day. It's a long day, but use that time when you get home. Just sit down for just an extra hour. Finish your test. Go into the book and just kind of cover everything. Just do a quick scan of the day. And make sure that you're preparing for the next day. It helps a lot. So some advice as far as studying goes. You're gonna cover a lot. The book is 1,600 pages, so it's it's a lot of material for 2 weeks of lecture. It's a lot, but I will say, don't get too lost into it. Always just stay focused. Your XABCs, your signs and symptoms. Make those drug cards. Seriously, they're gonna tell you to make them. Make the freaking drug cards. And study together. I know you guys get Sundays off, so take that as a little bit of a rest day, but that's your time, guys. Get together. That's what we did, and I think it helped a lot. So if you guys can build that interdependence and kind of get through it together, you guys really are a special group. I will say, everyone asked me, how did you even do it? Getting through the whole traditional 4-month program in just really 2 weeks of class and then a week of room. So, but you guys are in it together, and so make sure that you guys rely on each other. Make sure that your success through this is that you guys are helping each other out. Get through it. Remember, if you are like me and you're just walking into it, remember everyone's getting their basic license. So value each other's experience, but remember, it's okay. It's okay if you don't know everything off rip. Everybody starts basic. That's my advice for you guys. You guys are a very special group. I'm very excited for you guys. Hopefully we'll see you